What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock for the morning update. So, guys, so we have a green candle today. Well, as you know, Meta sold off quite badly yesterday. You can see it's $67, sorry, $66 down almost. I have a short position on this. That's fine. But yes, so before going to Nvidia, I just want to show you the state of the market first. All right, look at this thing down here. Then we have Microsoft's earnings today, right? And look at this thing. Well, I mean, I'm gonna cover this position actually. I think I will still leave some going through the earnings, but yeah, this is in the profit. But look at it, Microsoft is selling off, right? So we have Google earning as well today, and Google got bought back up actually, but it's still $4 almost negative, but it was at 151 right when it opened. So, and just showing you, yeah, I'm gonna show you everything on Nvidia. We'll talk about that, but can you look at it, the gap down, SPY gap down, right? And this, they have been in the downtrend. So Tesla is looking great. I love it. But coming back to Nvidia, guys, so this thing is not fully giving up, right? It's like now, just after breaking that $824 level, the break of the distribution phase, bottom or support, it is just trying to stick itself up here, right? So what am I making out of this green candle, at least right now, right? So in the price action, you can see penny to penny today, we have rejected again at 824. That's why that level is so important, that I have been saying this level is make or break level, distribution phase, or for bulls or bears. This is the dividing line, right? Now, even though we have a green candle, and this can something be formed as a pivot by the bulls, however, it's not a confirmed pivot yet, and we are still in the bears territory a lot, 80%. And what I mean by that, like this territory will shift if we break certain levels as we talk about it. So yes, we are still below 20 days and 50 days moving average. We are still rejecting at 824. We are below that. So in my opinion, we are not bullish. We are still bearish. I'll show you on hourly interval as well. We are below that 200 hours moving average, and we are also below this trend line that came in. I mean, not yesterday. It has been there for some time, but I'm just showing you that trend line. So we are still below that. And anyways, guys, but intraday, as I say, you can still trade directions based on the time intervals you are trading. So in case of day trading, which is like a, a day interval of trading, look at it, the bot still gave the profitable position, right? Like, that's fine, that's great, I'm loving it. It's in the money. Here we go, today's position, right? You can see the data on the left hand side there as well, but yeah, looking great. So that's fine. We have taken, position. Yesterday there was no position because Nvidia was falling. My bot didn't give any position, but you can see all these profitable positions that we have been taking. They are losing days as well, no questions about that, but we are not profitable. But just wanted to show you that. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. They are only educational tools, but I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots. Okay. Now let's go back to the daily interval first. So where do I think that this is a confirmed pivot? Guys, that is right at this, again, the juncture 824 will be the start of bulls again reclaiming their territory and increasing their weight in our percentage, that we are coming back again for you bears. So, and yeah, once we start to get above this full 20 and 50 days moving average and that trend line, right? This one, I'm on hourly interval now, right? We would have this as a pivot, okay? Yeah, so because you can see it found support just around yesterday's price, right? And trying to hold itself up. So it all comes down to, again, I said that, guys, if we close the next day above 20 hours and 50 hours moving average, yeah, this thing is shifting again. Okay, so yeah, if this has to form the pivot, it has to, if it can close above 824, yeah, bulls will again start to regain control. But again, it won't be fully bullish, but just like before, it will start to get into the territory, right? Now, between 796, I know it's a wider range, but between 796 and 824, for me, Nvidia will mostly stay indecisive as for the direction, but since we are in the downtrend, 823 is still a shorting potential in my opinion, but according to your risk management portfolio size, stop loss is important. So, but yeah, we are still rejecting that trend line, and I still think Nvidia is full on in the bears camp, but bulls are bringing it closer and closer to turn it into a pivot and trying to turn it back to the upside in the structure, but we haven't confirmed that. So Nvidia is still, in my opinion, technically bearish right now. The structure change hasn't happened, but bulls are trying to do that. So if they can form the pivot, then the ball will get in their territory. So, okay, that's that. I'll talk about other stocks later. I just want to show you around. AMD, a feeble rebound, that's fine. Not worried about that. I mean, I still have short position on it. Very little now left on it, but I'm still just carrying this thing. I'll talk about it in other videos. ARM, a little bit bouncing after that sell-off. Nvidia, okay, here it goes, selling off again. Broadcom, again, I have been taking profits down the journey, and as it's going up, it's, in my opinion, still bearish. I'm just talking about these things a little bit, guys, here. And SMCI, still doing a little bit of rebound, but I'll talk about it in another video. But could this be a start of a pivot and back to the upside? There's a possibility. I'll talk about it in another video. And then we have Micron here. Great position on my short play, right? And I have taken most of the profits out. A little bit of position is left, but I'll talk about this maybe also in another video. Wow, Nvidia is down to 812 now. So you can see that, yeah, it's rejecting at that 824. So yeah, as I'm saying, guys, we are still in the bears camp, and let's see how the candle closes today. And I'll talk about later as well once the market has closed. But yes, we are still in the bears camp, lower highs, lower lows, rejecting 824 so far. But yeah, it's quite a move back that Nvidia tried to did today. Look at it, 810. While we are here, let me show you Tesla as well. Looking good. I'm just not liking how it's selling off a little bit right now. And on 5 minutes as well, my bot gave a buy position, and one sell has also come on it. Just like when I say sell, I mean take profit first position. Profitable, partial profitable already. There, sets of positions, selling signals comes as well after buying, right? But yeah, net profitable, I'm happy. Even on the downtrend, we have been making money on Tesla in the bot, so I'm happy with that. All right, guys, I'm hoping that Tesla, I'll do, as I said, another video as well. But I definitely want Tesla to close above this 20 days moving average today, and also above this level of $164, because we are then out of most of the resistance. Okay, guys, well, that's it for this video. It was mostly for Nvidia, and I'll now see you guys in other videos. All right, guys, bye. Oh, well, and yeah, if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. 2 indicators, 2 trading bots. Okay, bye.